Hey everybody, this is our Label It Label Maker. It comes in two colors. We have the mint and the blush. The great thing about this, it does two different sizes. So of course it's going to do the standard size, but it also does this extra wide size right here. You just rotate the dial around to the letter that you want, press the handle. You're going to see it kind of start to emboss it there. And then if I do a half a click, it's going to progress it forward without actually embossing. When I'm done, I can just pull this. That's going to cut it. And then we can peel off the backing and stick it on there. It has interchangeable font wheels, so I just pull this open, the font wheels come out, and there are interchangeable fonts, so lots of fun options.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos here on YouTube so you'll be the first to see all our videos from Creativation. And follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight off the show floor.